How to delete all wallpapers on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete all the wallpapers on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete all the wallpapers on iPhone, if you have set up multiple wallpapers, so just come to your lock screen or swipe from the top left from the notification panels here, right? Once you're here, just long press, and here you can see a collection of different wallpapers that you might have created. To delete all those wallpapers, let's say I want to delete this one for example. First of all, make sure that you're not on that wallpaper. So right now this is my wallpaper, right? So I won't be able to delete this, but what I can do is I can delete the other one by simply swiping up, tapping on this trash icon and delete this wallpaper. Similarly, swipe up, tap on the trash icon and delete it. Swipe up, tap the trash icon, delete the wallpaper. Swipe up and just repeat the process for other unnecessary wallpapers that might be cluttered over here. And this way you can delete all wallpapers on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.